Tomatoes are some of the most popular plants in home gardens, known for their vibrant red color and rich taste. Growing healthy tomatoes requires more than just water and sun. They need the right nutrients to develop strong roots, lush foliage, and abundant fruit. Using natural homemade fertilizers is a wonderful way to feed your plants gently but effectively. Today, we will share a simple recipe that promotes vigorous growth and delicious harvests. Start by grinding 1 tablespoon of oats into a fine powder using grinder. Pour this powder into half a liter of warm water and stir well. Oats are rich in magnesium, B vitamins, and antioxidants, which contribute to strong stems and better photosynthesis. They also improve soil structure by enhancing moisture retention and microbial activity, helping your tomatoes grow healthy and resilient. Next, add 200 milliliters of whey to the mixture. Whey contains calcium and proteins that prevent blossom end rot, a common problem in tomatoes. The nutrients in whey support root health and boost the plant's immune system, encouraging lush leaf growth and fruit production. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of ground paprika powder. Paprika acts as a natural repellent against pests such as aphids and whiteflies. Additionally, it helps prevent fungal infections like powdery mildew and blight, keeping your tomato plant strong and disease-free throughout the season. Mix all ingredients well and let the mixture rest for several hours, allowing the nutrients to infuse the water thoroughly. Strain the solution and dilute it with 2 liters of fresh water. Water each tomato plant every 2 weeks, with approximately 300 milliliters of this natural fertilizer applied at the base. If you enjoyed this recipe, please share this video with your friends and fellow gardeners so more people can grow beautiful, healthy tomatoes. Thank you for watching and happy gardening.